Hello, I want to show you grinding coffee machine with built-in grinding function from beans to powder with adjustable thickness. Automatic cleaning function, no need to disassemble the machine to automatically clean the interior with one click. Multifunction adjustment control panel adjusts the coffee you want according to personal needs. You can choose temperature or change the aroma, taste. Also, you can do iced coffee. This coffee machine has 24 hours programmable timer, so we can control the temperature of your coffee for a very long time. The production time of the finest dust powder can be up to 20 minutes, and the simplest production can be completed in 10 minutes. It takes time to adjust to your own needs. This high-quality coffee maker is very nice and makes very good coffee. It is easy to clean and easy to use. Coffee drinkers will love this coffee maker.